Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey, Teacher Casey as some call me. And yeah, I kind of made a new background to see just something new, something fun. So what do you think? It says, passion never fails. So today I have an unboxing for you. This is an Erin Condren box. I don't know what's in it. I ordered this on one of their like mystery boxes. And so I figured I would take a chance and see what it looks like, see what's inside there. So let's take a look. I didn't even like bust the tape open yet. All right, so I do like this box. It's just a cute box with pretty flowers on it. Opens up like this and it says, "May the beauty of your day take your breath away." It's really beautifully packaged. I really like that. Let's see, the first thing in here is, oops, sorry, bumping the camera. The first thing in here, "May the beauty of your day take your breath away" again, and it's a card. And it looks like this is the contents of the box. So, step back and embrace the beauty all around you. The spring surprise box was curated to help you appreciate and acknowledge the beautiful moments of every day. From functional notepads to jump-starting spring cleaning to lunch totes designed to picnic outside. All right, let's take a look and see what's inside here. I can see it in the picture, but I kind of want some surprises. So, oh, it's got a cute little sticker. Everything is in tissue paper and in bubble wrap. Wow. Oh, there's lots of goodies in here. So let's take a look. This is ballpoint pen and valet tray. Got a little pen. We have an Erin Condren notepad set. 25 sheets per set. Those are cute. Little back has the flowers that match the box. Aha! Sticky notepad set. I do like sticky notes. Let's see. Pastel productivity page markers. So those are great. I'll use those in my planner. So, wow, lots of things. Oh, it looks like one of those straws with a cleaner. Oh, straw cleaner, hand wash only. And then a little pouch to carry it in. So that is a straw. A little straw brush. And let's see. Looks like a bunch of stickers to mark your calendar with. So for me, I've always known Erin Condren to have the best planners. I absolutely love them. So I can use these in my planner. I don't even have my planner up here with me. I was just so excited to see what was inside this box. And there's one more thing I'll show you. But I do like the bubble wrap. It's just has great packaging. So, all right, I showed you the stickers and now the lunch tote. Super cute. Let me open this up. And yeah, look, it's got like insulated so you can put all of your food in there for lunch. It's actually a lot bigger than I realized. Like, it's opening up. Wow. Okay, so it opens up huge. This is great. So you have a whole big, it's still opening. Oh my. Okay, so it opens up into this flat thing and then you just fold it up and you have a nice good sized lunch tote. So that would be the Erin Condren lunch tote. And I like how all of the items matched the box. So that was super cute. All right, so let's check out how much the contents of the box is worth. We have the Flora sticker pack duo. This was worth $6.50. The lunch tote that I just showed you was $18.50. The sticky pad notepad, well, the sticky notepad set is $6.50. The portable reusable straw and the cleaner kit is $10.50. The ballpoint pen and valet tray is $20. The notepad set, which is this one, is $12. And the pastel productivity markers, this one, is $6.50. So let me just total that up and I'll get back to you. So with everything included, the buying price would have been $80.50, but shopping on Erin Condren, I got it for $40. So super fun box. It was, you know, half the price for everything in there, and it was just kind of a fun mystery box. So I enjoyed that. I will order from Erin Condren again. I just love the planners. I love to give them as gifts. I should have brought one to show you, but I like that I can add personal notes. So for my nieces, I got them each a planner, and then I had them send me 3 to 6 pictures that they like. For my mother and my sister, I had them send in 2 pictures, and I got them the notebook. So you can have 1 picture on the front, 1 picture on the back. Everyone just seems to love these personalized planners and notebooks. They make great gifts. Go to Erin Condren and just check out what they have, the different planners and the just fun. I just love it. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye.